In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use a cloud phone, which is basically a real Android phone that runs entirely on the internet. You probably must have heard about cloud gaming before, so this is something similar. But instead of renting games, you're renting a virtual or real Android phone that you can access anytime from any device or browser. So this right here is a cloud phone. This is one I rented. You can click on settings and then about phone to see the information about the phone, and that's just it. I even downloaded some apps, as you can see. Yes, you can use Play Store on the app. You can download some apps. Yeah, I downloaded some apps using Play Store just to test the apps. This is actually a real phone that I'm using, but on the cloud. So the cloud phone service I'll be using in this tutorial is called VMOS Cloud. It lets you rent an Android phone that runs on their servers. You don't need to install any other additional thing or Android emulator, for example. Everything works on your web browser or in the VMOS Cloud app. You can access VMOS Cloud either from the app or the web browser. The experience stays the same. Creating an account is pretty straightforward. Once you've landed on the home page like this, you click at the top right corner of your screen, the three horizontal lines there, scroll down and click on login or register, and you're going to be redirected to this page where you'll be required to put in your email address. So just put in your email address, confirm the verification code sent to your email, and that's just it. VMOS Cloud also offers a real device testing. Okay, so whenever any device is available, you could actually test one for free just to see how it works, okay, before you can then go ahead to rent yours. So for this tutorial, I'll be using just one device, which is what you can see on your screen now. Don't worry, somewhere in this video I'll show you how you can rent yours, but for now let me show you how this works behind the scene. So this is the dashboard where you can manage all your cloud phones. So I have only one device here, and if I want to use it, I'll just click on it, and yeah, as you can see, the device is running. Voila, I'm now on the cloud phone. So I'm accessing this with my Firefox browser. Okay, so it's important that you note that every of these devices that you rent, okay, the cloud phone, they all come with their unique IP addresses. So let's assume you are in the US now. You can rent a cloud phone with a US IP. Now let me show you something. Let's click on the browser app. Let me quickly check the network details on this phone. So as you can see, this particular cloud phone is operating from the selected region, just like a physical device in that location would. So if you're someone in this location, the US for example, and you just don't have the means to buy another physical phone, you could just rent a cloud phone to manage your tasks. It could be testing of apps, learning, making research, especially if you're a content creator and you are concerned about TikTok monetization and so on. Now you can use this cloud phone just like any other normal Android device. You can download apps directly from Play Store, for example, TikTok, WhatsApp. I even tried downloading some apps. I downloaded some games. I also tested some survey sites, all on this cloud phone just to see how they work, and everything was just like a normal Android device would do. Now let me show you how you can rent a cloud phone. By the top left corner of your screen, click on the three horizontal lines there, and you will see the option to buy or renew. So you're going to click on buy, and then you scroll to choose the particular device you want to rent, the duration, how long you want to use it, the location, and all that. And the pricing is flexible depending on how long you want to use it, whether it's for a day, a month, or longer. You only need to pay for the duration you need. And that's basically how VMOS Cloud phone works using just one device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do well to smash the like button and drop a comment. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.